how to get working coupon codes for Amazon. Here's what you want to do. Sign into your Amazon account. Next, we will go into our cart, and right here, we will just click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so once you're taken to the promo code section here, gift card, voucher, or promotional code, you want to go to Google and search for Amazon coupon codes. I suggest this website, CouponFollow. Click on it, and in the top or at the top, you will see the most used and currently working codes for Amazon. So let's say that we want to get this code. You'll click on show coupon code, and you just want to copy this coupon code. Make sure you go back to your order here, and you can apply this coupon code. I'm going to paste it, apply, and if it works for my order, it's going to tell me here. So I'm just going to repeat the same process with this one at the top, and I'm going to go back, apply this code, and if it works with my order, it's going to tell me here. Unfortunately for me specifically, it doesn't work with my purchase, but if you're ordering those specific things which the coupon code lets you get a discount on, you will save some money. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.